Alright, this is just a quick look at the Wickes hoover. It's 120 watt. I think it's 1250 watts. Power for strong suction blowing and all that. 20 litre capacity. Wet and dry. Okay, so I'm using one hand here. This feels very plasticky. The wand itself is really cheap. But got a decent amount of friction on it. I'll put some other bits on the floor so we can hoover them up. One thing I noticed about this hoover is it comes on a 5-metre lead, which isn't long enough really. The actual capacity on it is quite good, you know. So we'll try out some of these tools then. There's a new tool on it. Quite strong. We'll find out how good it is with water then. The water just goes in along the crap. It's quite a lot. Yeah, not a bad hoover, quite powerful. The downside about it is it feels very plasticky. The lead itself is not the longest. So I would say 5 out of 10. Best point is it is wet and dry and it is powerful, but it feels just too plasticky to last. But thanks very much for watching, guys, and have a safe day. Catch you later.